Hi guys, welcome back to my new game. It's a train game, and please like, and please look at those parts. I'm creating a new train. I'm picking a freight train, right guys? I was gonna make this. And I like blue. I miss blue. And do you like that freight train wheel? What do you want to get this app? It's called, the app is called, freight train. And please, subscribe. And comment, and please don't forget share. Please share. And you want to create a train like this when it's real? Good. You can create a train like that. And then I start with wheels. Not wheels. You see it? Those black wheels, 2 wheels. Ooh, this one. And you know, I love it, the game. And you see those wheels? I'm making wheels. And I gotta start with another wheels. Right guys? Why I keep doing this? My brain is thinking about it. Oh wait. Start with this. Yeah, we can start with that. We should start with this as well. And I should start with police train. Police train. You know there are train like this. Wait, that's not an easy one. And I created on my we have 3 train games. And we have that's it. And we really like this one. Engineer. And I'm the engineer creating a train game. I mean train. And I'm gonna make an train. And what if you press this key? We're almost gonna, we're gonna create that. Wow. Now let's start with that. Wait, no, we're not starting with that yet. We're not starting with that on. We're starting now. We're creating a James. Oh my gosh, why do I keep doing that? I'm creating my chain. Now I'm gonna create that tank. I'll create blueness. I'm just kidding. Do you know this train? That train. No, we're starting now. Wait, we're not. What's wrong with me? And now we're gonna pick. Now we're picking that another tank again because we're starting with it. I'm good at it. Except babies. You hear them, guys? I love it. would use these like I should try a freight train. Got train sound. Okay, I'll not start with that. And now we're gonna just unseen other villages. We're starting with this one. And now I'm gonna start on that. I like this game. This might take a long time to go slow. This might take a long time. Okay, guys, please skip all of this and then you can go. Ooh, we should try with that one. We should try with that. Let's try this. Look, the trucks are fixed now. And look at the construction worker. Why is it there? It's supposed to be. I honked. Yeah, I just said that. And I just wanna say, and I like this game. And please, look at that penguin. Looks good, right, kids? Please like and subscribe. And please look at those green trains. I don't like green. I just like blue, black, and look at this. I'm creating a game, and I'm creating a game. This one might be hard, and I supposed to not do it loader. I was just making an MTA subway train. And I'm sorry, guys. I was just starting. Then please, look at the colors. I'm adding a new train. Again. Do you like to get this app? Not you. And please, and please, look at those characters. And decide, do you see them keep going up and down? And please, look at the wheels as well. I just fix. Oh my gosh, I should not make it lower. I should more lower up. Look at those wheels. I can't even let the wheels fit in. Would you like to share? Game, then please share. We're gonna get. We're racing those. We're racing those. Now we're gonna go pick and try again. And look at those windows. Look at them. And please, like and subscribe. So I just didn't say that for 10 times. And look at those city shadows. Those. I just tried to set up